So hello guys, today I am doing an unboxing of electric kettle. As you could see, wait a second. You could see this. So this is an electric kettle. You could, and it has a power indicator. This glowing light, it will glow when power is coming. And you could see what is written here with the features. Easy to clean. This is, and it will automatically power off when the water will be boiled. So let's come to the product. This is our product, so I'm going to keep the box aside, and there's no papers with it. So you could see this. This is the product. This is the on button and this is the off. So with this it will open and close. There are some papers here. So what is in this paper? Is this the manual or what? So there's terms of warranty and these things are written in these papers. So we are going to keep this aside. So you could see how it is, and this is the thing that will help it to boil the water. So we are going to open it. Let's connect it. So this is for winters, and this is that indicating light. And as it was written that this is we can rotate it 360 degrees. So we could boil our water very easily, and you could see how it is inside. How it is in. Wait a second. And you could also see this. So what you need to do is just open it like this and put some water or whatever you want to put, and close it like this, and put it over this, and connect this plug, and it will start. So according to the features, as I told you, this is 360 degree rotating, and it is very easy to clean. Automatic cut off. When the water will be fully boiled, then it would automatically off. An elegant handle and indicating light. These are the main features. Wait a second. These are the main features in this thingy. So you could see. Let me show you the box, because I didn't show you properly. Alright, so these are some more products from the company that you could maybe buy. Let me come in close. You could see now. And the features thingy. And this is the product itself. So thank you.